Afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in this meeting, which is basically based upon the discussion about the establishment of a cell known as Intellectual Property Cell in the campus of Suraj School, Tapukla, Bhiwadi, which is basically has a motive that we have to take the ideas from the teachers as well as from the students from our school, and the ideas which are innovative, which are practically possible, which are feasible to bring at the level of practical approach, those ideas can be sent for the patent or copyright. The purpose is that we have to groom the creative thinking of our students, which is very much important. Everyone has his or her own thought process, has his or her own thinking, has his or her own idea about the different problems, different perspective of life. So first of all, we have to bring those ideas on a paper in black and white. Then we have to create those ideas or convert those ideas into the practical implementation. In what way we can proceed with the same. The intellectual property program is actually a program which is run by the government of India, in which government is promoting the sustainable thinking of the students. The intellectual property program is like a program where children or students' idea will be given a kind of patent or copyright, and those ideas can bring a change in the society, can bring a change in the nature also. So far the environmental problems are concerned, so far the social, physical, mental and other practical problems are concerned, scientific problems are there. So we have to create the thinking process, we have to develop the thinking process of the students, and in this way we have to proceed with the program which is called Intellectual Property Cell. Now, if you have any question regarding this program, then you can ask the question to me, and then I will try to reply or solve your questions.
So I want to put up one question, that is patent is for children or for the school? If in case any idea will be applicable or specified.
Actually, there is an office which is called Intellectual Property Office situated at New Delhi. It is under the scheme of Government of India, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, where different kind of intellectual properties are given patent or copyright. Since school is going to promote this program in school campus, so whichever idea we will receive from the students, of course it will be the idea of a student, but since school is involved, so the idea or the property, it will be of school only, since school is giving all the infrastructure and facilities to the students to make the idea or convert the idea into practical form.
Sir, as you have told extensively about the IPR, there is one question that comes to my mind. What would be the career benefits of IPR for students?
Now, Ms. Mehri, so far your question is concerned about the career perspective. Of course, when a writer writes anything, suppose a lyricist write a song, so when he writes a song and it will be used by any of the person, those who want to use that particular song, all the time the person is getting benefit, royalty, which is says, royalty. So the same is here also. Intellectual property is the property of any organization or any of the child. This property, if used by anyone in the future, then and if it is practically used by any of the other organization, then of course the holders, intellectual property patent holder or copyright holder, will get the benefit in terms of money also, finance also.
I have a query that how we people have to proceed with this practice, this IPR. What is the procedure is, the levels are?
The total procedure is, today we have already established the committee. We have already announced the establishment of intellectual property cell in school. We have already designated the teachers, representatives, teacher representatives. The teacher representative will inform to all the students. Already we have the class representative as our ambassador, brand ambassador or this program ambassador, and these program ambassador further will inform or will have a meeting with all the students by 10th of August. This all procedure will be completed. After the completion, after the spreading of the message, this to all the students will bring their ideas to the school committee first of all. The school committee includes the teachers, principal, senior coordinator, coordinators. They all are the member of this committee. They will first of all check the feasibility and practical approach of the idea, how much the idea is innovative, how much the idea is practically possible to convert into, and how much this idea can work in future, for future perspective. So the idea will bring by the students, will put up by the students to the committee. Committee will scrutinize those ideas, and then afterwards the committee from government side will look into the ideas, will check the ideas, and then we will proceed further. The last date of submission of ideas is 25th of August by the students. So by 10th of August we have to spread the message among the students that they have, in what way they have to proceed, and by 25th of August they have to submit an idea in the form of black and white on a sheet of paper. Then we will convert it in the whatever form we want, PDF form or PPT form. We will help them out to convert those ideas into the practical approach form.
I just want to know about what is the schedule of this IPR?
My question here is, this IPR is only for students or for teachers also? Can teachers' ideas also can be patent? It will be there in schools, or teacher personal patent it will be?
Since we are doing this work in school campus, of course the teachers' ideas are also welcomed, but I suggest you to involve a few of the students to open up their mind also, because many times idea comes suddenly in your mind, in child's mind. So when any of the idea click to you or click to any of the child, we have to discuss with the children. Teachers can also give their idea, but I suggest you to involve the students and take some suggestions from the students, make a team of yours, and then you can put up your idea in front of the team. So at last I would thanks to our management, Suraj Shiksha Samiti management, to give us this opportunity, as we are going to establish this intellectual property cell in our school, and I hope that our team members, our core team will work upon the same, and definitely will bring the new ideas from the students, and we will involve ourselves with full zeal and enthusiasm, and we will proceed with the functioning at the functional level for this idea, for this establishment of cell. Thank you once again all of you. I hope that you will involve yourself and you will motivate the students especially to come up with their ideas in front of you.